My name's Rashid. I'm a dentist. I live in London. I work in London. I've been practicing for almost 30 years. I've really enjoyed today. I've been looking forward to it for a while. Great to come to encounter, to find so many applications, so many everyday applications for it. It's something I'm definitely going to try and implement as soon as possible in my work.
The beauty about this course is that it is hands-on. You can implement the work and have someone who's got a lot of experience using it, who's just essentially holding your hand through it, and that's really useful.
It's been really interesting to see how many different types of treatment you can use the laser for, and how it's just so simple to use. I think the whole course has been really good. I think it's been great the way that it was set out as to how you can use the laser for every single different piece. It was really well organised, really good course, and the whole setup and everything was really, really wonderful. So I'd highly recommend it to everyone.
It's absolutely amazing to be here. It's kind of my first going out for quite a while, and it's great. It's great to be able to see something new, to learn something new, to meet other dentists. I can see so many ways to implement the use of lasers and how we can improve the current procedures, but also how we can introduce new procedures. So, yeah.
I thought this was a great one-day hands-on course to give you a taste for the science, to give you a taste for the practical applications, and the two married very well together. I think it gives you a firm basis from which to start.
We love welcoming new dentists to Quicklase, Quick White, so if anybody has any questions at all or would like to see any of our products, then please do contact us.